Clara, I have a problem.
What happened, Jack?
My boss asked me a question this morning, and I didn't know how to answer.
What did he ask you?
He said, "Have you finished the report?" And I just shook my head.
Oh,
I didn't know if I should say, "Yes, I finished," or "Yes, I have finished," or something else.
I see.
And then later he asked, "Have you sent the email?" And again, I felt confused.
So this is about something that happened in the past, but it is connected to now, right?
Yes, exactly. The report was for today. The email was important for now.
And you didn't feel sure how to answer.
Not at all. I felt stupid.
You are not stupid, Jack. You just need to understand something new.
I hope so, because this morning was stressful.
Good. Then today we fix this.
Please.
Today we talk about a very useful form in English. It helps you talk about past actions that are important now.
That sounds like what I need.
It is called the present perfect.
Present perfect?
Yes, we use have or has plus the past participle of the verb.
Have, has, plus the past participle of the verb.
Yes, and here are some examples. Example 1. I have finished the report.
I have finished the report.
Good. Example 2. She has sent the email.
She has sent the email.
Very good. Example 3. We have started the meeting.
We have started the meeting.
Excellent. Example 4. He has cleaned his desk.
He has cleaned his desk.
Perfect.
So it's have or has, and then the past participle of the verb.
Yes, and we use it when the action is finished, but it is important now.
What do you mean by important now?
Let's make it easy. For example, your boss says, "Have you finished the report?" He cares about now. Is it ready now?
Ah, I get it. So the question is now.
Exactly.
So if I say, "Yes, I have finished the report," it means it is ready now.
Correct.
And if I say, "I finished the report yesterday," that is different.
Yes, that is just past. It talks about a finished time, yesterday.
I think I see the difference, but I'm not 100% sure.
That's okay. Let's practice.
Please.
I ask you, have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I have eaten lunch.
Good. Why do I ask this?
Because you want to know if I am hungry now?
Exactly.
If I say I ate lunch at 12, that is just information about the past.
Perfect. You understand.
Wait, can I say, "Yes, I have ate lunch"?
Good question. No, not have ate. We say have eaten. The past participle of the verb to eat is eaten. Ate is the simple past form of eat. Don't mix them up.
Oh, right, eaten.
Yes, some verbs change. Eat becomes eaten. See becomes seen.
So I say, "I have eaten."
Correct.
This is a little difficult.
It is new. That's normal. Let's continue. Imagine I call you at 8 p.m. I say, "Have you done your homework?"
Yes, I have done my homework.
Good, because it is important now. Maybe you want to relax.
Yes, very good thinking. If I say I did my homework at 5 p.m., that's just past.
Exactly. You're starting to feel it.
Starting, yes, but slowly.
That's fine. Learning is a process.
Can I ask something?
Of course,
Why do we say has with he and she?
because it's the rule. With he, she, and it, we use has. With I, you, we, they, we use have.
So, I have, you have, he has, she has, we have, they have.
Perfect.
Okay, I think I'm ready for more practice.
Good. Let's imagine you are at work again.
Oh no.
Don't worry. This time you are prepared.
Okay.
I am your boss. Jack, have you finished the report?
Yes, I have finished the report.
Very good. Have you sent it to the client?
Yes, I have sent it to the client.
Good correction. Sent.
Yes, I have sent it to the client.
Excellent.
This feels better already.
Good. Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
It is Friday evening. You are at home. Your friend calls you.
All right.
I am your friend. Hey, Jack, have you packed your bag?
Have I packed my bag? Yes, I have packed my bag.
Good. Have you bought the tickets?
Oh, yes, I have bought the tickets.
Perfect.
Because we are traveling tomorrow, so it is important now.
Yes, that is the key.
Wait, what if I didn't pack?
Then you say, no, I haven't packed my bag.
Haven't.
Yes, have not becomes haven't.
So, I haven't packed my bag.
Good. She hasn't packed her bag.
Excellent. This is actually useful.
Very useful. We use it every day.
I think I have understood a little.
Good. Now let's move to a longer situation.
I'm ready.
Imagine you are at the airport.
Okay.
You are nervous because it's your first time flying alone.
Yes, that sounds true.
I am the airport worker. Good evening, sir. Have you checked in online?
Have I? Yes, I have checked in online.
Have you printed your boarding pass?
Oh, I have printed my boarding pass.
Have you packed any liquids in your bag?
Yes, I have packed some shampoo.
Have you put it in a small bottle?
Oh no, I haven't put it in a small bottle.
So now we have a small problem.
Yes, they will stop me.
Exactly. So you say, I haven't put it in a small bottle. What can I do?
I haven't put it in a small bottle. What can I do?
Very good.
I feel the stress.
Good. That makes it real.
So, present perfect is good for questions like, have you?
Yes, very common for life experience and preparation.
Life experience?
Yes, for example, have you ever been to Paris?
Oh, I've heard that.
Good. Have you ever tried sushi?
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, we use it for life until now.
So I can say, I have been to Paris.
Yes,
Or I have never been to Paris.
perfect.
Never means 0 times.
Exactly.
So if you ask me, have you ever flown alone? I say, no, I have never flown alone.
Very good.
That feels natural.
Good. Now, small surprise.
What?
Your flight is delayed.
Oh, no.
You call your friend. The airline has changed the time.
The airline has changed the time.
They have delayed the flight.
They have delayed the flight. Why do we use present perfect here? Because it happened and now I am waiting. It is important now.
Yes, you are thinking correctly.
Wow, I feel a little proud.
You should.
Wait, what if I say they delayed the flight?
That is also possible, but it sounds more like the simple past. It provides information about something that happened in the past, while the present perfect feels more connected to the present.
So if I'm standing at the airport, I say they have delayed the flight.
Exactly.
This is starting to make sense.
Good. Let's expand a little.
Okay.
Sometimes we use short answers. For example, have you finished?
Yes, I have.
Good.
Not yes, I finished.
Correct. Just yes, I have.
That's simple.
Also, we often use already and yet.
Oh, I've seen those words.
Already means sooner than expected. Yet is for questions and negatives.
Can you give me examples?
Of course, I have already finished the report.
I have already finished the report.
Good. Question. Have you finished the report yet?
Have you finished the report yet?
Negative. I haven't finished the report yet.
I haven't finished the report yet.
Excellent.
So if my boss asks, have you sent the email yet? I say, no, I haven't sent it yet.
Perfect.
This is exactly my real life.
That's why it is important.
Can we recap? I want to be sure.
Of course, we form the present perfect with have or has plus the past participle of the verb. We use it for actions that are finished but still important now. We also use it to talk about life up to now, and we often use words like already, yet, ever, and never.
Okay, let me try to say it.
Go ahead.
The present perfect is have or has plus the past participle of the verb. We use it when something happened in the past, but it is connected to now. We also use it to talk about life up to now. And we often use words like already, yet, ever, and never.
That is an excellent summary.
I'm surprised. At the beginning, I was so confused.
I remember.
Now I feel clearer. Not perfect, but clearer.
But before we finish, there are 3 small words that are also very important with the present perfect.
3 small words again?
Don't worry, it's really easy. They're small, but they can change the meaning a lot.
Now I'm curious.
The words are just, for, and since.
Oh, I've heard them, but I'm never completely sure.
That's normal. Let's make it simple.
Okay.
We use just when something happened a very short time ago.
So, very recently?
Exactly. A few seconds ago, a few minutes ago. We usually put just between have or has and the past participle.
Any example?
Sure. For example, I have just finished my homework.
So, it means I finished a moment ago.
Correct. She has just left the house.
Very recent.
Yes, we have just started the meeting.
We have just started the meeting.
Good. Now there is another important use.
More?
Yes, we use the present perfect tense to talk about how long something has continued until now.
Something that started in the past and is still true?
Exactly. And here we use for and since.
What's the difference?
For talks about a duration, a period of time. You will hear expressions like, I have lived here for 5 years.
5 years is the duration.
Yes, she has worked here for 2 months.
She has worked here for 2 months. So for answers how long?
Exactly.
And since?
Since talks about the starting point. For example, I have lived here since 2018.
I have lived here since 2018. That means 2018 is when it started.
Yes, he has worked here since January.
I think I fully understand now. For is duration and since is starting point.
Perfect.
It's actually very logical.
Yes, and let's see them together in a small text. Just listen and repeat after.
I'm ready.
I have lived in this city for 3 years. I have worked in the same company since 2022. I have just received a promotion. My life has changed a lot since I moved here.
I have lived in this city for 3 years. I have worked in the same company since 2022. I have just received a promotion. My life has changed a lot since I moved here.
Good. For 3 years, duration.
Yes.
Since 2022, starting point.
Correct.
Have just received very recent action.
Exactly. It feels clearer when I hear it like that.
That's the idea. Small words, big meaning.
I think I've just understood something important.
I think you have. Now you will be able to speak more by yourself.
Alone?
Yes, final situation.
Okay, I'm nervous.
Imagine you are back at work on Monday. Your boss is asking about many things. You answer.
All right.
Start.
Good morning. Yes, I have finished the new report. I have already sent it to the client. I have talked to the design team and they have made some changes. We have improved the pictures. We haven't fixed the small problem on page 3 yet, but we are working on it.
Very good. Continue.
I have also called the supplier. They haven't answered yet. I have left a message.
Excellent.
Last week, I was not confident. I finished things, but I didn't know how to say it.
And now?
Now I can say, I have finished, I have sent, I have called. It feels strong. It feels connected to now.
That is confidence.
At the beginning, when my boss said, have you finished, I felt lost. Now, if he asks me, I will smile and say, yes, I have finished.
Beautiful.
I have learned something very useful today.
Yes, you have.
And I haven't felt this confident in a long time.
That makes me happy.
Present perfect is not scary anymore.
No, it isn't.
It is just have or has plus the past participle of the verb for things that are important now.
Exactly.
I have understood it.
Yes, you have.
And this time, I am sure.